The Tokyo Metropolitan Government is promoting internal structural reforms to give residents a tangible sense that digitization has improved services. Here, we present initiatives aimed at enhancing administrative services by reviewing analog regulations. Do you know what analog regulations are? They are rules that presuppose analog methods such as on-site visual inspections, in-person training sessions, or visiting government offices to view documents. Analog regulations can be broadly divided into 8 categories. The Tokyo Metropolitan Government is promoting reforms such as shifting in-person training to online formats and making public documents available for viewing over the internet. As an example, the Tokyo Fire Department used to provide general life-saving course at only fire stations and similar locations. However, a part of the training is now available through an electronic learning room, making it far more accessible to residents. Roughly 27,000 residents made use of this service in the 2024 fiscal year. In addition, viewing documents such as the Articles of Incorporation and business reports of medical corporations used to require residents to visit the relevant office and fill out a request form. Now, they are accessible online at any time. Furthermore, it is now permissible for staff members and managers of afforestation subsidy projects to use camera-equipped drones to supplement on-site inspections conducted through visual confirmation. Additionally, the Tokyo Metropolitan Government allows businesses to conduct measurements utilizing digital tools in place of traditional analog methods. When checking the load volumes of trucks transporting earth and sand, these reviews will enhance services for residents and businesses alike.